Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can change your email address on Kik. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open the Kik app on your phone. After you do so, go ahead and click on the profile option on the top right hand corner. Then click on your account. You can see your email address. Go ahead and tap on email address. Now, if you want to change your email address, just go ahead and remove the previous address and write down your new address. Go ahead and tap on save, wait for a while, and you can see that your email address has been updated. Now you can go back to the Gmail app and you can open the Gmail with which you registered it. Wait for a while and a mail will be appearing on your screen. You can go to all inboxes, check your mail, and you can easily change your email address this way. Let me show it to you once again. Open Kik app on your phone. Then click on your profile on the top right hand side and go to your account. Then click on email. So after you do so, what you need to do is click on this box over here, write down your mail, and you can see that you can even confirm your email. So go ahead and click on the status and you can click on yes. So a mail has been sent to the current email. Just go ahead and open the mail, reload the mail, and you will find the mail. So after you find it, just go ahead and click on confirm email. It will be headed to another browser and you can see that your email has been confirmed. So I hope this video about how you can change your email address on Kik was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.